Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a quick walkthrough of the latest planner. So in this planner in particular you can change the date. So for example, if it's 2024, you can just write it here and then it updates all the months for you automatically. So this is something new. It hasn't been available in the previous planners. And then on the right, we have a to-do list, priorities, and goals list. You can change these easily. You can remove some of the illustrations if you want. And this one is actually really interesting because it shows you today's date. So today is March 15th, and that's why it shows up here. However, if you want, you can change that and you can go to format, number, and change, for example, to Friday, or Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, so it just automatically changes that for you and changes the format. And if you don't want like that, you can just use this space for something else. Then we have some content strategy, competitor analysis, sheet, and content pillars. So these are interesting because you can just add something here. Let's say you use a different social media or you don't have a podcast, then you just delete that one and it's going to be updated in all of these planners. So here you don't have a podcast anymore when you choose your social media. And the same goes for the content pillars. You can change these completely, and these are all the spaces for you to have different content pillars if you want, and then they get updated throughout all of the other planners. Now we have an Instagram feed. So before you would only have one Instagram feed. Now you have 5 Instagram feeds that you can change completely, and all of them are connected to your content planner. So it could be content planner 1, content planner 2, content planner 3. In total, you have 5, and all of them have a different style. Last but not least, we have a branding page. So this one you just can, have fun with it, add things, use the pins or some paint to make it more interesting, resize it, and things like that. I hope that this is helpful. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.